Because Auntie Foota does one big suckwood skettle batty boy, you know. See that suckwood girl, you know? This a bitch here, just run down Battyman argument every day because Battyman are where him love. Me never see a Jamaican man who say he hate Battyman. Talk about Battyman, so. Battyman are your dream. Battyman are your fantasy. You know everything about Battyman. Boy, Battyman this. Battyman that. Oh, God Almighty. Me hate the Battyman. Nobody will hate Battyman so much. No get up and talk about them every day. Real Jamaican man will hate Battyman. You can't even bring up a Battyman topic around them. When you hear blood clot Battyman argument, them and they move you up from around them. Them man they not have time to talk about Battyman. Them man they hate Battyman like pies. Two man they hate Battyman. Them man they raise about Battyman, brother. You see what they go around a real Jamaican man will hate Battyman, you know. Right, you said the word Batty, a man in a one sentence, he move you up from in front time. Man no run Battyman joke cute. None at all. Man not talk about Battyman nothing. From once and nothing to do with Battyman, the man they didn't even know about it. Oh, you know so much about Battyman. Why you love walk and follow up Battyman argument, brother? You suspect you. You want big bumbuckler girl pitney, brother. That's what I tell you, say, man like you, man, fuck. That's why when you that blood clot chrome, you down there ball for blood clot ramming nogle. Make man of your finger you for fucking soup. Man of your fuck you for blood clot shrimp nogle. The man them come out and feel how them feel. And say they no hate against nobody. And all them care about a feed them circle. Everybody supposed to feel how him feel. Care about your circle, care about your house, care about what your pitney them a do. Me don't give a fuck about the next man a female house, brother. Your house are your house. That's why me no come at your house, me stay at my house. But every day you walk around on the internet look like one big bumbuckler gorilla, pussy hole, King Kong bitch. Every day you get up and beat your bumbuckler too much in a social media. I want to your King Kong jump off of one building and broke your blood clot neck, man. Big pussy idiot, girl. Every day you get up with your gay eat batty boy. But you have to catch up in the Battyman in country every day. Every walk when you walk in America, you have to look on the gay flag. Big batty boy. You know see your whole big and stink and deep, my youth. Big cesspool, suckled boy. You know, see every day you walk past a blood clot gay flag. You have to turn up strong in America. One time when Battyman pass you, big idiot, fuck out boy. You know, say you have to respect Battyman. You Batty boy, you go pan bumbuckler, yes so. You can't come make up them the nice. Tell the people in Jamaica. So when you see Battyman in America, tell them say you have to lock your suckled mouth. Tell them when you come back on the live. Tell them say, you see when you see me as a right now. Me can't even say that in the public of America. You will go to jail feet, you look a homophobic batty boy. That's why you see America push out people like blood clot you. That's why you did have to have an ankle bracelet and me never have ever done. The amount of poison where you walk and have spread to the Jamaican public. Every day you want people to be like big ugly King Kong you. Pussy will go sit down in one blood clot corner, you know see your sugar kill you youth. Your bumbuckler foot then rotten like dry cane to bumbuckler and up your side you big and bumbuckler broad. You know see your head where you have look like one bobblehead pan one bumbuckler car windscreen pussy hole. You look like one of the 2004 dog them who used to dip on the screen and go so with your big bumbuckler head. The whole heap of sore them who dip on your bumbuckler foot. The pus them who run out of your nasty cane foot them. Some of them if you take your bumbuckler squeeze them out and make some rub. You look a dirty bumbuckler, you. Eh? You look like a fungus, them a tear off the wall of your foot corner. In narcissist and in chaka his foot them. Can't even get a blood clot pedicure. Go and go attend to your thinking bumbuckler foot them, man. Put some caramel and garlic in your blood clot shoes. And kill the blood clot infection we have in your thinking foot them, man. You coming like one bumbuckler fungus on the blood clot internet. Every day you try make everybody hate people like how you hate them. Brother, go and go hate your own a circle. Cause me see you have one little son where you own the other day. Him a move very girly. Go and go raise your youth. Go and go play some football with your son. And stop going like you play football with we, brother. Go suck your mother and go youth. You know, say you one big transvestite hunchback batty boy. Man, after you fuck you, you're the only Jamaican man follow Batman argument. So, Batman, you dip on your brain like every day. Man, fucking man is where you get up and think about every day. You know, say you're sick, brother. Brother, you're sick, youth. You're the sickest bumbuckler youth me ever see. Fungi. Or some of you go start call you fungi hype. You know, see, your fungus make you a blood clot hype. What do you take off your thinking shoes them, half of your thinking foot them? You can see the rotten bumbuckler foot them. You can see your foot them a mildew. Foot them think toenail them black and blue to bumbuckler. You can see say pus will run out of your toe. You think like I want somebody fart and pass to bumbuckler. Go and go attend to your sickness, brother. Nobody not try hate, nobody like your father. Go suck out your mother and go. Big pussy boy, go suck out your mama and go, man. Bitch, go and go suck out your mama and go. Dirty fuck batty boy, go, man. And suck your mother. Sure. Bumbuckler, the Foota girl. Every day that suck with big bumbuckler, tumblerbug, shit bug, yeah. Get up every day and roll shit on the internet. Brother, go and go roll the shit in a your yard alone, man. With your big bumbuckler slippers lip. If my mouth is big and blood clot black, so your mouth shaped like this to pussy hole. Lock your bumbuckler mouth, man. Your big bumbuckler mouth. Top lip, bottom lip, top lip, bottom lip. Big and black and ugly in a pussy hole. Shut your shit bug bumbuckler and go, man. And go fuck, man, if a man you want fuck batty boy. You know see it? Every day you get up, man, cocky in your mouth. Lock your mouth, man. Every day you want suck good, so. Suck good of your blood clotting. Every day you that's a suck good, so. Nothing else you can do. Bumbuckler, me the one man and me say me obsessed with Batman, so. Me just come out and tell us me a Batman and done. Brother, just come out and tell me a what fuck, you know. Come here, saw the barber where they in a shop up there with the whole heap of gold teeth them in her mouth, you know. Bumbuckler gold teeth, they smell like pussy and batty in her life, in her one, you know. I want to shut your pussy up, man. Your body and pussy in a one to blood clot.